Good morning. GoldSilverInvestigator.com here with an update this February the 22nd, 2012, Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. And today I've looked at the 12 charts that I normally track, listed here on the screen. And the ones I'm going to include are the US dollar, 30-year bonds, gold, silver, obviously, copper, oil, and the S&P 500. And as you can see from here, we've got the top three, the US dollar, yen, and 30-year bonds in a downtrend, and the other 9 futures in an uptrend. So, heading on to the US dollar, and we can't see the dates very clearly here, but this is, I'm talking about down here, but this is September, October, November, December, January, February, until today's date right here. So, and all the charts are the same, so just so you get an idea, these are long-term charts, and we've got a current downtrend here with the US dollar broken down from 82, a little bit up here, but coming down again, meeting up with a possible power uptrend line here. The slow stochastic indicator is indicating that we're moving down strongly at the moment from a somewhat high level. So could well see the dollar dropping more here now. And of course, with the dollar being weak, we've seen gold and silver going up, and we'll get to those charts in a moment. But the US Treasury, 30-year bonds. Now, the Fed is providing a lot of support around this level. We may be in a downtrend and power downtrend right now, but with the amount of support that the Fed's providing, I wouldn't be at all surprised to see this. In fact, I'll be very surprised if I don't see it jumping back off of this support. And we're getting down to a lower level here with a slow stochastic indicator around the 20s, and could expect to see this turning back up shortly. S&P 500 had a very good run from back in October here, and especially since around November or so, been heading up. Still in a power uptrend. Just a word of caution: keep an eye out for what's happening here, because we've got the slow stochastic indicator at a high level, and we've got one line crossing the other. They're not both pointing down. Only one of them is pointing down. So that doesn't mean that. It just means be wary. And now gold, and a very nice surge yesterday. You can see that here, and a bit of consolidated retracement this morning. And slow stochastic indicator showing pointing in the up position. So this is looking very positive right here. We've in the last 2-3 weeks we've broken out above the downtrend line. Things are looking good right now. Of course, there will be a very strong fight around the 1760 level, so expect that to be well fought right here. But things are looking good. Silver, somewhat similar to gold. Good big surge yesterday. Slow stochastic indicator also pointing up. We're coming up towards the downtrend line from March, April last year. Very interesting right now. Looking very positive. Copper also had a surge yesterday, a little bit of retracement right now. The slow stochastics crossed at a low level. Both lines are pointing up. Could expect to see this going up more now. And with oil, of course, we saw the breakout here, and as usual, slight retracement. Just watch this. We've got a possible crossing of the lines here on the slow stochastic, and we're at the high level here. But of course, most of this is being driven by the warmongering talk about Iran. There's a lot of pressure in the market at the moment, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens here. But very positive power uptrend line at the moment. And that's a morning update from goldsilverinvestigator.com. Please come back each morning for your new update. Thank you and have a good day.